quick release steering wheel. I mean, like, how cool is that? You can't get much race car, can you, than a quick release steering wheel. However, I have discovered a bit of a problem. In a rally car, there's basically no room. There is no spare room at all. Especially once you've got your navigator in here. You'll watch some of our videos that when we get in, we basically need help to get strapped in. And we can't find things, you know, like the flipping doodah for your intercom. You know, we need help with that. We need to help to make sure that our harnesses are over our hands devices. So if you take this off and you put it somewhere, it's just another thing to worry about. Say, at the moment, it's not an issue. I can just chuck it in the navigator's seat. But of course, when the navigator's there, there's nothing, you know, you can't do that. I have seen people put them on the roof. Not a fan of that. But what better way than having a race car hook for your race quick release steering wheel? Well, luckily, I've had one made for me.
I do like watching YouTube, and one of my favourites is Making for Motorsport. David Fox is trying to make cars go faster while spending as little money as possible. And his favourite weapon of choice is the 3D printer. Chatting to David, he asked me, did I need anything for the Rally Mini? And I said, yes, please. Any chance you could make me a steering wheel hook? And he went, no problem. Send me the specs and I'll send you one in the post. What a legend.
Just look at this craftsmanship. I know it's not handmade, but I just think it's absolutely fantastic. I've never really looked at a 3D printed item before. And the thought that's gone into this is just amazing. So that's the diameter of my roll cage. This is the diameter of my steering wheel, and that's the length that I required or asked for. But when I first looked at this, I went, what on earth is that? I don't get it. And then I realised, of course, that's for clamping this in, and of course that also needs a clamp, but that's down there, look. You need that, otherwise, yeah, I don't know how otherwise you would do it. And there's like these little inserts or nutserts, whatever you want to call them. Guessing they're pressed in. So if you want to see how this is made, check out the link up above, which will be up here somewhere. Here it comes. Boop, 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 boop. There it is. I can't wait to fit it to the car. Let's do it. So, I'm going to mount it just behind the rear view mirror. I definitely don't want to over tighten it. I'm sure it won't snap, but you never know, do you? Pop the steering wheel off. Oh, look at that! Absolutely spot on, look. How race car is that? Oh, amazing. You, sir, are a legend. Thank you very much. Please help the people that help us and go and visit his channel. Guaranteed you will not be disappointed in the projects that he's making. He's also an awesome auto tester. Right, thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.